back to my channel, Crazy Kids Learning Always. Hello everyone, this is Sadat from grade 6, Lead India Bharat Ratna School. Today I am going to show you my science activity. Topic: soluble and insoluble. First, we need to know what is soluble and insoluble. The substances that dissolve in water are known as soluble. The substances that do not dissolve in water are known as insoluble. To do this activity, I have taken some substances. Here we go. Pebbles, detergent powder, sugar, turmeric powder, sand, chili powder, lemon juice, rubber, plastic, metal, salt, oil. Now I will take water glasses, spoons to dissolve them. First, I will start with chili powder. 1 spoon of chili powder, then mix it in water. Whoa, wow! Chili powder dissolves in water. So, chili powder is soluble. Next, I will take pebbles. Wow! What? Pebbles are not dissolving in water. Still, they are not dissolving in water. So, the pebbles are not dissolving in water, so they are insoluble thing. Next, I am going to take sugar. 1 spoon of sugar, and let's mix. Okay, it is dissolving some. Oh my god, sugar is missing. No, sugar is dissolving. So, sugar is dissolving, means it is soluble thing. Next, detergent powder. 1 spoon of detergent powder, and let's mix it. Okay. Okay, so detergent powder is also dissolving. So detergent powder is soluble thing. Next, turmeric powder. 1 spoon of turmeric, and dissolve. Oh, it dissolved, means turmeric powder is soluble thing. Next, sand. Take some sand and mix it in water. You can see there is sand beneath the water, means it is not dissolving in water, so it is called as insoluble thing. Next, I will take lemon juice. 1 spoon of lemonade. Okay. So So, lemon juice is also dissolving in water. So, it is known as soluble thing. See, it is mixed up all in the water. Next, rubber. Rubber is not dissolving, so it is insoluble. See? Next, I will take metals. These are screws. See? These are not dissolving in water. They are known as insoluble things. Next, oil. One spoon of oil. So, oil is not dissolving in water. See, oil is floating on the water, but it is not dissolving in the water. Next, salt. One spoon of salt. Salt is dissolving in the water. See, there is no salt. Salt is dissolving in the water, means soluble thing. Next, plastic. Plastic. Oh, plastic is not dissolving in the water. See? Plastic is not dissolving in the water. So it is insoluble thing. Now I differentiated soluble and insoluble things. Chili powder, turmeric powder, sugar, lemon juice, detergent powder, salt are soluble substances. Metal, pebbles, oil, sand, plastic, rubber are insoluble substances. There are many soluble and insoluble substances available. You can also differentiate them. Now I know what are solubles and insolubles. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Crazy Kids Learning Always. See you on another video. Bye. Keep watching my learning channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Crazy Kids Learning Always.